So today we're going to be doing the 2 balloon laser gun. We've done a 1 balloon laser gun, but now we're going to do a 2 one. As you can see, it's a little bit more effective. As always, this balloon is in my amazingly fabulous 2-star balloon book that you can get on Amazon. I am actually in the process of redoing it, so make sure to like and subscribe if you want to be notified when that actually comes out. Anyway, in the meantime, let's get on with the 2 balloons. Pick your 2 colours. Let's see if we can do a quick transition to inflate them. Fabulous. You don't need to leave barely any space at the end because there's not a lot of twists in this one. Move yourself back up to the knot end. This is going to be the main body of the gun. Don't know what the actual term is. First of all, we're going to twist a bit that you're going to hold on to as like the handle. So maybe 6, 7, maybe 8 fingers, a fair bit so you can hold on to that bit. Twist up there, make sure to keep a hold of it. Otherwise, if you let go, it's going to unravel. Fold a section. This is going to have 2 balloon widths going through it. So you're going to need about the same folded over there. If you do it too small, you're not going to be able to squeeze those balloons through. Now leave a bit of space, maybe 2 hands worth of space in between, and then you're going to fold it back over about the same size as the first twist. Line them up there, make sure it looks okay. You can leave a slightly smaller bit of balloon at the end there. It doesn't really matter how much is there because it's mainly for holding on to and pretending it's a trigger. Now, move on to your other balloon. This is basically just going to be folded. Not quite in half. One section is going to be slightly longer than the other section, but give it a bit of a pull there so that you can line them up and a bit of a squidge because you are about to push it through the gap. Once again, I'm really glad that we don't have any sound on this because the squeaking is just lovely. Push that through, leaving a nice loop at the back there to give the laser gun a little bit of shape, and then push it through the next loop as well, making sure you've got enough space for the bottom. Now pull them both up so they're straight and just adjust it as needed so it's got a small little loop at the back and you've got slightly more barrel of the gun, is that what it's called, at the front there. Give it a squidge so it's all nice and straight, and then that's basically it. You've got your 2 balloon laser gun. Pow pow. Just be very careful who you give it to. Thanks so much for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe and let me know if there's any designs you'd like me to make next. Bye.